Welcome to the Wicked Gamer and Collector. It's time for a message from the future. Welcome to the Wicked Gamer and Collector. Welcome back to a new message from the future. Alright, so today's video we are going to talk about the DIY portable horizontal version Pocket Mini arcade game LCD Raspberry Pi 3B. 3B? Okay. Alright, so in China they sell a lot of these, let's say, portable systems, and they just stick a Pi in it. Yeah. So for the people who are not familiar with the Raspberry Pi is a small little mainboard where you can emulate a lot of old stuff. Yeah, up to the PlayStation 1. And this model, I really love to review it, add it to the collection, and just to check it out for you, for the Wicked family. And that's the reason why you need to subscribe and hit the little bell for more awesome Wicked content and become one of the Wicked family. And yeah, to check it out for you, what are we going to get, and is it worth the money? Because let's go to the price. As you can see, if you put it all together, it's a shitload of money. Yeah, it's a lot of money. It's a lot of money. And yeah, that's the question. It looks nice. Let me know, what do you think of this? Would you consider buying, let's say, a landscape like the LDK normal, square edition, or a landscape edition? Oh, it's pretty wide. I think this thing, if you look at his hand, it's freaking huge. But right, so what are we going to get? Let's see. It comes with, yeah, they are going to, they are just putting in the specification of a Raspberry Pi, but okay, it comes with an 8000 milliamp. Whoa, it's a series an 8000 milliamp battery, so that's pretty huge. But what I think is something you need to consider beside the 5-inch LCD screen, you need to see it like this. You're having this portable device that is pretty huge. You're not going to put it in your pocket, but it's a portable device where you can play all your games on the go, but you can use it like a console itself. Because if you look and scroll down, you can see here it's got an HDMI port and it's got 4 USB ports. So that's pretty cool. You can plug in, I wouldn't say any controller, but Raspberry Pi and RetroPie supports a lot of controllers. So you can stick in your Xbox 360 controller or your PlayStation 3 controller or a lot of the stuff that is supported by this. And you can just use it like a system or game console. So it's more like the idea behind, like with the Switch that you have in portable system and in game console. So I think it's pretty cool. So yeah, it's not cheap. That's what you're going to get. That's it. I can't wait to buy one, to get one in, to check it out, to show you, and to have some wicked RetroPie fun. See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the little bell, and if you like gaming, don't forget to check out the Wicked Gaming channel. Yep. Bye bye. Stay strong, stay positive, and stay wicked. I'm going back to the future, because we need to defeat Skynet. I